Oh, I need that.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's hurt.
Oh. How much I owe you?
So where's the leaking from? Oh.
Well, that's not good.
What a streak, man.
I know. It's like you can turn on, crank it until it builds up pressure.
It's not giving it any down. They're getting you excited.
Oh, I gotta go over here. I gotta go see this. I gotta go see this. We're starting this up. CHEVADO. I have one of those magnetos. You know how much they are? I have them for sale for $1,500.
Raw fuel coming out of the front pipe.
I'm saying this guy's got to be real high now.
So I got one of those. I put on eBay. I told the gal that works for me, hold this wire here. I went,
You're a man.
she jumps.
Yeah.
I hear the lawsuit's going to start in a couple of weeks.
Oh, Jesus.
But the tag would.
I had it sitting on the tailgate of my truck,
Oh, they don't
working on it, and I moved the body, but the gear stayed alone while the wire touched me.
Oh.
And I was like, dang!
Oh,
all the
no
way up to
kidding.
my elbow. And it was running at
It'll bite.
30%.
You know how much those are?
Yeah,
I got mine. I got for $1,800.
really, that's actually a good price.
It is a good price. It needs a cap, but the caps are just, aren't they just GM caps?
It's a GM cap.
Yeah, it's a GM cap, but the rotor, if it doesn't have the rotor.
It has a rotor.
It has a rotor?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, on eBay right now.
And it's a Schaefer?
It's the tag. The reason why it's $1,800 is because there's no tag on it.
Oh.
So it could be a Cirillo, it could be a Schaefer.
Right,
You don't
right.
need a Cirillo number or anything.
Nope. If I had that tag is a $500 tag right
Yeah,
there.
Cirillo made me a new tag with mine.
Oh, they're in Costa Mesa still?
I think so.
Yeah.
Somebody had told me he moved to the East Coast, but I don't know.
Well, I mean, I'm just selling it for an old racer friend of mine. You ever heard of Stone Woods and Cook?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Yeah, I never heard of him.
They're good friends. I'm good friends with the family, and I'm selling off all their stuff.
Oh, wow.
It's on eBay.
Really? I heard of Pebble Stick and Stack.
Let